Hello, today I'll tell you about the story Peppa Pig. Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother Charles. This is my mommy pig. This is my daddy pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, Charles, mommy and daddy going to her breakfast. Peppa and Charles want to go out and play in the garden. Mommy, can I and Charles go out to play? You can go out to garden to play when you finish your breakfast. Charles, you ring you so quickly. Hey. Charles rings so fast and while he gets kicked off. Mommy, can I and Charles go out play? But Charles is kicked off. Charles is fine, Mommy. Is you fast? Yes. Okay, you can go out play. Buzz, look after Charles. Yes, Mom.
Nhưng mà biết thì cái vở sơn này sẽ nhạt.
Charles, I will follow the ball and you will cut it. Hey, Charles, soft kick off. Hey, Charles. Now you follow the ball and I will kick off. Charles. Charles, I will help you stop kick off, but you will here to I tell. You will do to I tell. Now we cross the crease the head and crease the tummy. Yes. Hey, Charles, wait it. Charles, you do long. Now you jump one leg and 3 times. And raise your hands and says Ricky the chest. Now one leg and close your hand 3 times. Oh, Peppa, his goddess, not stop Charles' cough is. Charles, I will have you. Little Picky cough is will have a stop. I will scare you, but you remember this is a game. When you scare, remember this is just a game. Peppa, you do so scared for Charles. Charles literally, sorry Mom, but I won't again go to the shop. Charles is not kicked off. Oh, Charles is not kicked off. Daddy come with 2 big juice. Charles, you ring so quickly and you will go kick off again. I is now little, just Charles and I can ring quickly than I want to. Hey! Hey!